Mattresses are something that we carefully considered. But why settle for just any pillow? True quality sleep means your head deserves as much comfort as your body. Introducing a mattress, just for your head. The SURURU P17. The SURURU P17 isn't just a single material pillow. It's a 2-in-1 hybrid pillow combining a soft zone and a cooling zone. With 17 pockets designed to fit the user's body, it's a personalized pillow that provides ultimate comfort for everyone, regardless of body shape. Because we toss and turn, we need a solution for the pressure it causes. The SURURU P17 features 4 vertical and 13 horizontal pockets that distribute body pressure and head load to provide support for your spine, center, and sides, tailored to your body shape. The 13 individual comfort pockets dispersed on the top surface, where the head directly touches, distribute pressure to maintain a comfortable sleep posture and prevent pressure from focusing on one side. The C-curve neck support latex foam is ergonomically designed to maintain a proper and comfortable posture while we sleep at the optimal height. Thanks to the air holes that allow airflow, the pillow remains comfortable throughout the night, while the fitting offers support to the C-line of the neck. The SURURU P17 is crafted for enhanced comfort with high-density memory foam and an air mesh pad. While the memory foam with cold cooling gel regulates rising body temperature, ensuring a peaceful, comfortable sleep. The air mesh pad that can be adjusted in height to suit your body shape provides enhanced breathability. Pillows with sweat and body temperature may create the perfect breeding ground for various mites and bacteria. And that's why the Clima Self Control Zone, positioned between the neck and head, is designed to prevent this. With excellent breathability, it ensures a balanced and comfortable temperature and humidity level all year round, providing a hygienic sleep environment. In SURURU P17, every detail has been carefully considered and perfected, delivering ultimate comfort for your head and neck. Experience the cloud-like comfort with 17 pockets. SURURU P17.